underway at Humberstone. And then we have the 16. Ooh, Kenny Earhart hit into the first implement tire. And the 66 just stopped. So the 15 right now is your race leader. Hey, this is the fun part about a dirt figure eight. The tire moves. Oh, hang on, the 15 just got dumped by Kenny Earhart. 16's in second, the 15's going the wrong way. So the 16 is leading the Dodge Caravan. Can't dodge it, ram it. Not a surprise, Glen Hills. I couldn't tell just by the fire suit where the Shrinking Speedway one. 2 more to go for the 16 machine of Glen Hills. Chris Stamma back to the 2 spot, I believe. So we have some action at the X. White flag is out. Final go around here in this one. In the first of at least 3 qualifying heat events for the figure 8. Your leader coming in off the turn right now, Glen Hills in for the win. And the 69 machine will come home in position number 2. Well, instead of moving the tire going towards the infield, they moved it closer to the wall. That's going to be entertaining. So we have the 48, the 27, and the deuce. 1, 2, 3 right now. So the 48 at Jordan Vinslet. So far, your leader. Ahead of the 27 at Dave Murr. And the 10 at Chris Johnson. I was going to say, Chris knows his way around here. Next time the 71 makes a left-hand turn, everybody take a look at that left rear tire and tell me what's wrong with it. Ooh, we got one at the X. Good one. White flag's out for the Vinslet 48.
Took his driver's side.
Is it your fault? Is it your fault or is it mine? Jordan Vinslet's going to win heat race number 2 ahead of the 27. Who just got dumped? Checkered is out. Time to take out the keys and shut up and drive. Heat race number 3 for the figure 8s. The Newmont Security 26 looking pretty good. Little Acura. The leader just got taken out. Actually, he took himself out. the 26 already smoking the Newmont security ride. Man, that'd be a good 4-cylinder for here. Ooh, the 19. Man, that 19's a nice, sharp-looking Subaru. I'd take that for rallycross racing around here. The 58 is your leaders. They're coming around the turn for one final time. Now the white flag's out.
Honey!
What I love most about this race actually is that our leader is in a t-shirt. I think that's what I love most about this actually.
We like to call this the redneck rodeo. And the 26 just went up in smoke. 8 laps to distance, figure 8 feature here at the new Humberstone Speedway. Glen Hills leads them. Oh, we got calamity here at the east. This will be the east end of the speedway. So a Dodge against a Toyota. Late 90s Dodge Caravan, mid 90s Toyota. Ooh. The 48 starting to move up in a Toyota Corolla. See, there's the thing, you have to time it right when you get to the intersection. Oh, here we go, the 48 is just gonna slide it in. The 58 looking underneath